Hi, I'm Mike Skramstad of CDOCS, and welcome to the tip of the day. Now in this tip, I'd like to talk a little bit about treatment planning more difficult anterior cosmetic cases. Now this patient came into our office with obviously all these spaces on his anterior teeth, and he wanted veneers to correct the problem. Now sometimes we need to develop strategies to convince or create value for this patient on more comprehensive care to get a better result. So what I did with this patient is I opened up InLab 20 and did a very brief digital diagnostic wax up. Now the reason we did this is I wanted to show the patient roughly what these teeth might look like if we just restore this with restorations. Now as you can see, the teeth tend to get just a little bit boxy, they're a little square, and I really don't think it was in the patient's best interest to do this treatment just with restorations, because we're never going to give the patient a result they're going to be happy with. So digital diagnostics wax ups with InLab 20 are one very good way to do this. If this is something that interests you, we are going to be developing some curriculums around this with our new InLab course starting in March. Now another thing that we can do with this patient is we can bring the case into the Ortho software. Now the great thing about the Ortho software is it doesn't exactly create perfect simulations, but it creates simulations just to show the patient the value of orthodontic care. Get those teeth in a better position, which will allow us to do more conservative restorations that will look better, last longer, and you'll have to cut the tooth down far less. So the combination of InLab, just to show the patient what the teeth might look like if you did restorations, compared to the advantages of doing orthodontics. Two very cool strategies to convince the patient or give them value for more comprehensive care. For more tips like this, please visit us at CDOCS. Thank you.